Hello everyone, learn to introduce myself. My name is Dede Seviani from AKT 2020 A class. Elements and structure in accounting theory are deep concepts that form the foundation for the entire financial reporting system. Understanding the elements help accounting user understand how financial information is generated, measured, and presented in the structured manner so that it can be used with various practices, both internal and external. In this case, accounting is not just a series of numbers, but a method for communication the financial position and performance of an entity. Therefore, understanding the element and structure for accounting theory is very important. Choose the who want to manage financial opportunity access the financial condition for a company. It's essential the element in accounting theory consists of several main components, namely assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Each of these elements has in all role the function in providing the comprehensive picture of the entity financial condition. This element from the structure of financial report, which we often know as balance sheet and income statement. For the structure of financial report, which we often know as balance sheet and income statement. This report is not only a medium of information but also the main tool of decision making, performance analysis, and risk assessment. 1. Asset and primary resource. Assets are the first and one of the most important element in accounting theory because they relate the resource owned and recorded by an entity. Asset can be tangible items such as property and equipment or intangible such as pension or trademark. In this case, assets are considered as resources that are expected to provide economic benefit in the future, either through direct use or sales. The division of assets into current assets and fixed assets also show, but these assets are expected to be used in the company short-term or long-term operation. 2. Liability as financial responsibility. The second element in accounting theory is liability, which include all form of financial obligation or debit that must be settled by the entity. Liabilities include the level of financial risk faced by the company, especially if the company has short-term liability that are quite large and must be settled in the near future. The liability often include debts owed to creditor, business debt, or even tax obligation. Understanding liabilities is key for user for financial statement to understand the company financial structure, especially in terms of the entity ability to pay off its obligation. 3. Equity as ownership right. Equity relates to the share of asset owned by the owner after the education liabilities. In other words, equity shows the owner's right to asset after all obligations have been fulfilled. This equity is often considered an indicator of financial health because increasing equity over time shows the growth in wealth generation by the company. In financial report, equity is also the basis for calculation various other financial indicators such as earning per share of return on equity or ROE. ratio which are important for investors to evaluate their investment potential. 4. Income and expense and dynamic element. Apart from static elements such as asset, liability, and equity, income and expense are two elements that are dynamic in accounting theory. Revenue is an economic inflow obtained from a company's main activity, such as sales of product or service. This income is a benchmark for the company's performance in generating value for stakeholders. Meanwhile, expense are economic outflow that occur in the process of generation income, such as production, distributor, or marketing costs. The two are closely related to each other in reflecting the company's probability, where the resulting the profit or loss in the difference between total income and total expense. 5. Structure of accounting theory include the structure of accounting theory include not only the elements but also the framework that governs how these elements are measured, recorded, and presented. Accounting standards such as HGAAP or General Accepted Accounting Principle or IFRS or International Financial Reporting Standard provide clean guidelines on how financial information is structured so that it can be understood by all users. The structure also includes basic assumptions in accounting such as business continuity, assumption, and monetary unit, which underlie the preparation of financial reports so that the information produced is accurate, consistent, and relevant. 6. Basic quantity assessment and their effect. One of the most important assumptions in accounting theory is the going concern assumption, which states that an entity will operate for a long period of time and will not be immediately liquidated. This assumption allows companies to record asset and liability based on their historical value without have to adjust the value the relaxed current market price in the company is expected to close or enter bankrupt soon. This assumption cannot be applied and the asset valuation must be adjusted to the current market value. 7. Business entity in accounting structure. Business entity in other crucial concept in accounting, which states the our business entity is considered as a separate entity from its owner. This means that the financial statement prepared only relate the financial activity of the entity without mixing in the owner personal financial. This principle is very important is maintaining the objective, the accuracy of financial report because user of financial report will be specific information about the entity without and mixture with other financial aspects. 8. Consistent in the application of accounting standard. Consistency in the application of accounting standard is another important element in the structure of accounting theory. This consider means the entity are expected to use the same accounting method from time to time to that financial statement between periods can be compared more accurately. If a change in accounting method occurs, an entity must decide the reason for the change and its impact of the financial statement so that users can understand and adjust their analysis. With a depth understanding of this element, accounting theory helps create a trust-safe framework for financial measurement, the reporting, Through the application of applicable principle, standard and assumption, accounting theory provide a strong basis for entity in presenting reliable and relevant information. Thank you.